Hello student, today we are going to study the most common topic of biology, that is human digestive system. Alright, this topic comes in class 6. In class 5th, we have read about the living and non-living things. There we have known that the living things, they need energy to grow. We need food for energy. The second is that maintenance for repair, for protection of body, for collecting raw material. Okay, so these are the reasons why we need food. We need food for the energy, for the maintenance of the body, for the repair of the body, for the protection of the body from the different type of viruses, problems, for the diseases, and for the raw material that's used for the functioning of hormone in our body. Alright, so the food which we eat, that's absorbed in different form of nutrients. Nutrients are divided into 5 parts, that is carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin and minerals. So first is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is also called energy food. We found carbohydrate in sugar, potato, rice, etc. It gives instant energy. The second is that is fat. The fats, these are also called energy rich food. The fat are present in all the oily things like oil, ghee, butter, fish oil, etc. It gives more instant energy than the carbohydrate. The third is that is protein. The protein is also called the bodybuilding food. As we have heard, the people who go to gym, they intake the protein. That is for the bodybuilding. So the third nutrient is protein, that is called body building food. Okay, so protein we get from the milk, we get from the meat, egg, pulses, etc. The fourth nutrients, that is vitamin. Okay, the many of the students, they do mistake while spelling out this, that is vitamins, no vitamin. It is vitamin. Okay, so vitamin is also called the protective food. It's used to protect our body from the viruses. That is protective food. Proteins are divided in different types. So we have read here that the food which we eat, that goes in the form of different nutrients, and nutrients are further divided into 5 parts, that is carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins and minerals. And we have learned the other name for the carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Now we will see how these nutrients get absorbed in our body, how it takes in, how we take the food, and that how it's absorbed and how we get energy. So now we will see the food which we have taken, the steps how these nutrients we get in our body. So this nutrition, steps of nutrition, step of nutrition. There are 5 steps of nutrition. The first is ingestion, the second is digestion, then the third is absorption, then assimilation, which comes under the absorption, and the last is egation. Alright, so ingation. The intake of food is called egation. The intake of food is called ingation. जब अंदर डालते हैं खाने को उसको कहते हैं ingation. The word itself says inside, ingation. When we intake the food, that is called ingation. Second is digestion. Digestion is when the complex food divided into simple form, that is digestion, break down into simple form, that is digestion. And the third is absorption. Then after the breakdown of complex food into simple food, it's breakdown into different type of nutrients and absorbed by the body. Now, what's in absorption only the comes words come assimilation. Assimilation means the absorption of nutrients by different parts of body cells according to their requirements. That is called assimilation. It means that is also absorption, but it is absorbing done by the different parts of the body cell. And the last step is when the nutrition is absorbed according to the requirement, the waste products that's come out to the anus, that process is called egation. As the word started from E, it means exit, nikal raha hai. So egation is the process in which the waste materials come out of the body. So here we have read the 5 steps of nutrition and the 5 type of nutrition. Let's do the recap. There are 5 type of nutrients. The first is carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin, minerals. And then there are 5 steps which involve in nutrition, that is ingation, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and then egation. So in this video we have learned about why we need food and what are the type of nutrients and how the nutrients get inside our body. Thank you.